best printing results, I suggest using the original Brother printing supplies. You can use the TN630 toner cartridge or the TN660 toner cartridge, which is an upgrade to the standard. Here is the printer LED indications. I suggest unplugging the printer before you open the printer. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.